Hi, so this is my platform that I decided to use for my website. So I decided to do my webpage on Weebly. So first things up on my website is the page about me. So if we scroll down a little bit, here's my name. Then I wrote a little something about me that describes me the most, the picture of me this summer, and then McGill sign. Then we have at the top in class content responses, which in there I'll put responses that we will respond in class, but yet we didn't get to do one, so we're probably going to do one on Wednesday, so this is where I'm going to put it. Then we have class assignments. So the first one that I put up is the marked number 1. So mark number 1 right here. Then it's just loading. I uploaded with Scribd. Here is my mitigating anxious responses to technology. So here's my work. Then the second assignment that I put up in class assignments is lesson plan. So in class last week we had to do a lesson plan outline, which would practice us for our real lesson plan. I decided to do my lesson plan on badminton. So here it is. The lesson plan, lesson objectives, lesson learning outcomes, material needed, activities, types of technology use, and steps for the class in class. So here's my lesson plan. Then we also have in educational resources, the first one is graphic design principles. So we're just going to go right there. So graphic design principles, we did that last week, I believe, in class. So we had to do like a poster with different principles, so proximity, repetition, and contrast. So what we had to do is decide images that represented those principles. So for balance, for example, I chose this girl who is doing a yoga position, which represents balance for me. Proximity, then, two individuals hugging, demonstrating love. So it's really like proximity for me, I believe. We also have contrast right here, where it's black and white, and repetition, where when I think of repetition is something that's always coming back, and it's just like a wheel. So like also with like an infinity sign. So this is why I put that up. Then we also have a storyboard. So that one we did in group. So we decided to do the storyboard on the subject, how do I open my bottle of wine? So we hear the steps and the different frames that we would use in a storyboard. And we all here we have all our different types of how to open a bottle. Then I have my meme right here. We also, I believe we did the meme on GIMP. Yes, GIMP. So if Monday had a face, this would be it. So this was me at my cottage this summer. I believe I was really mad, and my boyfriend took a picture of me, so I decided to do a meme on it. So I find that really funny. And then also in educational resources, last but not least, we have the Adobe Spark. So this is where on Adobe, we did like a little video, which is going to show you guys. So I put a DAC 262. So here's my family. I decided to do like a little slideshow about my family. So we saw my mother, now my boyfriend with my dog, my university after, like a little bit of my life quickly, my dog again. Then we have the 2022 cohort, so all my friends that are in class with me. And then in educational resources, this is where I'm going to put this video up. So I'll have another link right here that will be about a screen recorder with me talking about my website. So this is pretty much it for my website up to now. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is it.